Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0xc0000409 exception unknown software exception error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is an SFC scan. So here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Why are we doing it? Because the main cause behind this is that there are a few missing and corrupt files. Now if it is associated with the software, then you'll obviously reinstall it, but that's a different thing. We are focusing on the computer right now. If that doesn't help, then you can perform a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the check the scan. And lastly, try a clean boot. Why a clean boot? Because even if the files are replaced, even if they're fixed, unless the root cause is addressed, you will not be able to resolve it. And to identify and fix the root cause, you will have to perform a clean boot. So how would you do that? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.